There's, it could potentially be enormously advantageous, because it's wonderful when I get patients coming to me when they've already had some background in a particular subject that they are seeking help for. And the problem is there's an enormous amount of misinformation on the internet. I mean, as much as I love the internet myself, and I do look through the information, I know that the information there is, I'd say 50-50 sometimes when it comes to medical issues. It's 50-50 in that, you know, it could be true half the time. And what I'm finding is that this method of information, distribution of information, is easily accessible, and they have an opportunity to learn something independent of the news media. And I think what's really important is that there's no financial association with drug companies when physicians do this, and whereas there could very well be when you look at the news reports.